Hello everyone, welcome back to another Average Joe tutorial where I explain basic things in our daily gadgets to average people who may not know a lot about technology. And today I'm going to show you guys how to add a phone number to a contact on an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously locate your contacts app, which looks like this. And so you'll want to open it up and locate the specific contact that you've got in your little list. I'm not going to show that obviously because I'll show my personal contacts. And then you need to click add. And then you need to click add phone. And right here, as you can tell, it will let you name all sorts of labels. I'm just going to name mine iPhone. And then what you can do is you can add the number, which as you can tell, that is for me, my number. Supposedly this test number that I'm using is not a real phone number. And if you get the joke behind this phone number, please comment down below. Hit done. And then as you can tell now, you have successfully added a contact to your phone, to a phone number to a contact on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And please share this video if you know anybody else with this issue. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more average tutorials or just tech videos in general. And as always, I am the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.